Safety is a crucial factor when choosing a car, and today, we're comparing the 2025 Toyota Camry and the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class in a crash test evaluation. How do these two sedans perform in the updated moderate overlap front test by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS? Let's find out. The 2025 Toyota Camry has earned top safety ratings from the IIHS, making it one of the safest sedans in its class. Let's take a closer look at how it performed in crash tests. The Camry received a good rating, indicating strong structural integrity and effective crash energy management. The rear passenger dummy's head moved closer to the front seat back, which slightly increases the risk of head injuries. However, injury values indicate a low risk of injury to the head, neck, and chest. The shoulder belt remained in an ideal position, ensuring effective restraint. The lap belt also stayed correctly positioned on the pelvis, reducing the risk of abdominal injuries. Overall, the Toyota Camry 2025 delivers exceptional safety with well-positioned seatbelts and minimal injury risks for passengers. Now, let's move on to the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. While known for its luxury and technology, how does it hold up in crash safety? The E-Class received a marginal rating, meaning its structural integrity and passenger protection in this test are less impressive compared to the Camry. The rear passenger dummy's head remained at a safe distance from the front seat back, reducing the risk of direct head impact. However, injury values indicate a moderate risk of head or neck injuries. The shoulder belt moved too far upward toward the dummy's neck, reducing the effectiveness of the restraint system. The lap belt shifted from the pelvis to the abdomen, increasing the risk of abdominal injuries. While the Mercedes-Benz E-Class provides good overall safety, its rear passenger restraint system shows some weaknesses that could increase injury risks. In this crash test comparison, the 2025 Toyota Camry clearly outperforms the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With a good rating from IIHS and well-positioned safety restraints, the Camry ensures better protection for passengers, making it a top choice for safety-conscious buyers. What do you think of these results? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car safety comparisons. Drive safe.